We begin our broadcast with some really tragic news. Everlyn Namukhula, who gave birth to 5 children through caesarean section in Kakamega 3 weeks ago, is dead.
Well, Everlyn, who had been admitted at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital since the delivery, is said to have complained of difficulty breathing before she collapsed and died. 2 of the 5 children had passed on last week. Raquel Muigai with that story.
Death is described as torture to the soul, and at Everlyn Namukhula's family homestead, it is this racking sobs that lay bare their raw pain, and sobs that knew no interruption of drawing breath. Others, they were caught between an impulse to help or stay out of bother, but death brought a transformation that no one knew how to reverse.
My sister was okay up to around 8 a.m. when the kids were fed. Then she started complaining of backache and chest problem. Then from there she was taken to, I think it was an emergency room where she was attended to by the doctors. Then within a very short period, she only collapsed and died.
Everlyn Namukhula had on 13th March given birth to 5 children, 2 boys and 3 girls, through caesarean section at the Kakamega Referral Hospital. But a day later, they were transferred to the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital after the 2 boys developed complications. Unfortunately, the 2 boys passed on last week before Everlyn succumbed early on Sunday. According to the Chief Executive Officer at the Referral Hospital, Dr. Wilson Arwasa, Everlyn had been put on blood clot medication as a preventive measure owing to maternal-related complications.
Mother who has delivered, even if it is 1 baby, they have a very high risk of having the blood clots. Imagine a mother who delivered 5 by caesarean section, the risks are even higher. So deliberately we put her on treatment to prevent that for about 2 weeks when she was in the ward.
However, Dr. Arwasa says that Everlyn has been responding well until Sunday morning when she complained of difficult breathing. But soon as her chest x-ray was done to determine the reason for her complaint, Everlyn was no more.
What the test shows is that the heart was enlarged with fluid around the heart and that the lungs also had fluid.
At the moment, Everlyn's body is lying at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. She has left behind 7 children and her husband. Raquel Muigai, Citizen TV.